Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to my first ever lock picking video. Today I'm going to attempt to open this master lock. It's a master lock number 3. It's a 4-pin lock, doesn't have any security pins in it. I'll just show you the bitting on the key. And if the lock works. It's not a key retaining lock, so I can take the key out and lock it. And just get it in the vise and see what happens. So I'm going to use a Southord short hook. It's the one that comes with the Slimline Euro kit, the C2010 kit. So let's see what happens. So very light tension in this lock. Pin number 1 is springy. Pin number 2 is binding. Pin number 3 is binding. Pin number 4 is now binding. And that's it open. Sorry about the lack of commentary there for the last pin. I just had to get it right. It's quite awkward just to get the pick on top of the pin. So let's take it out. Now you can see that the lock is open. So that is pretty much that. Thanks to Mad Mabel 77 for the inspiration for getting my first video online. And that's great. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.